Hello everybody. So it's late Wednesday night and this video is taking forever to upload, and also the fact I've not really been at home very much has delayed me quite a bit. So this is this week's video. Some things to point out. Let's see, I've been eating a lot again. I've been eating too much. The air quality is still shocking, but this week has been pretty fun. Last week has been pretty fun. This week's video will come hopefully on time, Sunday night. Spring Festival soon, don't know what else to say, so I'll just see you in a few days. Peace, bye. What's your name? Can you dance? Alright, show me something.
Yeah, show him something.
Yeah. Don't be shy. It's okay. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Here. In the UK we call this a walk of shame, but here I call it saving money by staying out so late that the subway is open again and everyone else is going to work and you're going home. I'm in Chinese class right now, and as you can see we have a teacher, which is me. I wrote this on the board. It says 这句什么
Go pee! Go pee!
That was one of my students. He's a little crazy. Yeah. 坐好了啊，现在上课。
慢慢走啊，慢慢走啊。
Hello. Hello.
北京课。
北京课。
去外面。
出摊。
哦，老师不在，我是老师。Eating Thai food with my friends. Say hi. Say hello. Sure. She has a mouthful, she can't speak. She'll speak in a minute. I want that bike. How old are you? How old are you? Oh my god. Okay. How old are you?
Make a funny face.
Make a funny face.
Today I learned the word that's so popular. It's someone who
Yeah, we're hungry.
Put me on camera.
Huh?
Get a picture
picture up there, please?
What? We're in Sanatoon. We're gonna eat buy one get one free burgers. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Anything else to say? No. And I want to buy an iPhone 5. iPhone. Everything on Sanatoon. I have no idea. I'm with my friend Mandy, and she's got something to say.
Say what? Hello? Not me.
You gotta say that. She didn't mean that. What she meant to say was elephant shoes. Elephant shoes, alright? That's what you said.
Well, she was serious.
What's your problem? Alright. We haven't got food yet.
So, you like make video?
You've not seen my videos? Yeah, so I like
Show
it.
your face when you said that.
You not seen my videos?
Like a serious face.
No, sorry. Videos.
Everyone. Everyone.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm not everyone.
But you're in it. Everyone can see you.
I'm a professional.
Does it look professional? First have this.
Oh, you have finished? Oh, someone is thirsty.
Wasted.
We got potatoes, we got chicken, we got shrimp, we got rice. This ain't beer, but it's tea, but it's still good. Gongwa Toto. I don't know how you say it in shrimp, but yeah, eat good.
How's your burger?
Good.
Yeah?
It was good.
Alright. Then, do you want to finish?
I'm already finished.
Damn shame.
The train in the direction of Qingdong Station is approaching. Please keep on, not quick on, so it is open.